Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, I am working on a hit called Query Has Address. I was able to pass the qualification round for this, and unfortunately, I was not able to take a recording of the qualification round. So this is going to be the production. In this video tutorial, I will show you the thought process on how I work on this one and what resources you can use to complete each hits. Okay, so for this one, again, it's a query. It's the query has address head app. There is a guideline. I don't want to go through it. I'll explain it to you as much as I can. For this one, we have to understand the query text. For this one, it's 1740 East 64th Street, Los Angeles, California. 900 Glendale Surgical Associates, 319 Main Street, El Segundo, California. Now, there are two addresses here, okay? So, is there an address in the query? Must include street level elements. Street level elements would be like the street name, the street number, the location, if it's a road or a lane, those things. So for this one, it has all those street level elements. It has the number, it has the name. It says if it is a street, a road, or a lane. So it is a yes. Question number four is the address in United States? California, yep, it is in the US. So just click submit. Moving on to the next is land sweeper. So this isn't an address, so we have to click on no and just click submit. Moving on to the next hit is our Winver, not an address, so click on no and click submit. Moving on to the next is Drathos. This is a character from Star Wars, so definitely it is a no. 44 or 44450 county, that is a zip and it has no street level elements again like the street number, the street name, if it's a lane, a road, or what have you. So it is a no, it's incomplete. Moving on to the next is Pit Bus Platinum Loreto, 1000 square feet, and definitely not an address. Tumbleweed and S Monterey, not a street address. Samarkand Wimam. I don't know how to pronounce this, guys, so it's a no. Tripod Variety, 164 Village Road, Smithfield, ME. I think ME stands for Maryland. I'm not sure. I'm not in the US, United States. So it is an address. It has the elements, street number, street name, and if it's a road, a lane, or what have you. So, is the address in the US? Yes, it is. Moving on to the next is Carlos Jacot. It's a no. By the way, this hit pays around, it pays a little, but during these dry days, we want to work on those hits for us to still earn a few cents. Moving on to the next hit is 2021 Miami Carnival. Definitely not a street address. This one, I don't understand it, but it's a no. Definitely not an address. This is a foreign language. It's a no for me. Uh, Not an address. 67 Camaro gas tank. No. Name two different types. Definitely no. Immobile Zen Act. That's German. Das ist Deutsch. No. Essex, California, Bakersfield, California. It's incomplete. It doesn't have the address or the number. It is supposed to be 8207 Essex Court, Bakersfield, California. No, this one. Mathia Zemmel, MD. Okay, 660 Broadway, Patterson, New Jersey, United States. This one has the street number as well as the street name, but it does not have those um, elements such as if it's a corner. But it is going to be a valid street address, and it is in the U.S. Well, okay, that's a no, definitely a no. A no as well. No as well. Uh, okay, this one is a valid street address. It has all the street elements. It's a yes. And this one is in Woonsocket. All right. Yeah, it is a U.S. address. It's Rhode Island. Definitely no. Definitely no. This one is a valid street address. Okay, guys, isn't it easy? Again, the name of this hit is Query Has Address. Let me finish this up for you. I know there's a lot of hits, I mean, there are 20 hits available now, but I'm not sure. Maybe they are uploading. It says 20 hits earlier. Oh no, it's 20K hits. So Teal Stripe, that's definitely no. This is a yes. All right, I'm gonna stop here, but I hope we got this one correct. It has some of the hits will show if you answered correctly. So again, unfortunately, it isn't the qualification round for this, but again, it's a thought process on how to work on this one. And again, stuff that's resources that you can refer to when you try to verify if it is a street address or not, or if it's within the United States. Um, Again, my name is Ghost the Freelancer. We have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines and Ghost Leaders. Sorry, I'm mumbling. I have a lot of things going on in my mind while I'm doing this. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel for more videos, qualification overview, and tutorial. And please leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost, the Freelancer. You have a good day. Bye for now.